Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view the source reference number on advanced shipping note in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the warehouse module. Here, we have to select the advanced shipping note menu under the warehouse module. On this advanced shipping notice list page, we have to select the warehouse. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the submit button. After clicking the submit button, the ASN details will be displayed on the screen. Now we have to click the edit icon for which ASN we have to add the client reference number. On this ASN details page, here we can see the client reference number. Now we have to click the report button at the top of the screen. On this list of reports page, we have to select the advanced shipping note report. Here we can see the source reference number. This is how to view the source reference number on advanced shipping note in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.